sexy welding people from YouTube. How you guys doing? I hope you guys having a good day. Captain Manny over here. Welcome you to another video. But today, quick video for you guys. What we're trying to do is burn some 7024 rod. Look at that. We're gonna burn this one with my new welder, classic 300 MP. That's right. So what we're gonna do is gonna go full speed and hopefully can burn it, so there you go. Don't count me on that, but if you gonna buy a used welder, go all the way full speed and test it out with some 316, or if you got this one, test it out with this one 7024, and if it doesn't shake or if you weld it good, then the engine, everything's running good. All right, so as for today, guys, what we're gonna try to do today, 7024 rod, jet rod from Lincoln. I only have like 6 of them from the last job, so I saw them in my box and I was like, you know what, let's test this. I'm gonna test my welder with this big ass rod. All right, big motherfucker. All right, so without further ado, let's do it. And sexy welding people from YouTube, that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Today's video, guys, we burned some 7024. That's right, this rod was hot as fuck. We had to go all the way up on my classic 300 machine. It was all the way up, guys, and it did burn it. It didn't the machine did good, I think. I burned a couple, all the rods that I had. I had like 6 or 7 rods, and you can see it was like lava, hot lava. Alright, so I hope you guys like this video, guys, and stay tuned for more videos from Captain Manny, and stay safe out there. Alright, I'll see you next time. Adios.